Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of Indeed job search weekly on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, we go to Indeed job search and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.